Yeah, man, a brand new artist straight out of Dark Sound family. Yeah, man, big up DJ Cholde. Yeah, man, DJ Cholde. Start it nice and easy.
That is Ghetto Ginimbi. Gold chain like Ginimbi.
Yo.
Car like Ginimbi. What I say? Tell them levels. Yeah. Gold chain like Ginimbi. Style like Ginimbi. Gold like Ginimbi. Gold like Ginimbi. Gina Club like Ginimbi. Style like Ginimbi. Gina Cage like Ginimbi. What the level? Yeah. Gold chain like Ginimbi. Style like Ginimbi. Come up, piece of dinner, style like Ginimbi.
Yo.
Oscar, them sing like Ginimbi. Yes. I have big change them style like them style like Ginimbi.
Yo.
Big style them feeling me just be singing. That's starting to push at them as in the eye. Rock sound, dark sound, yeah. And I change like Ginimbi, style like Ginimbi. Big chain, big watch like Ginimbi. Ginny and the number get out Ginimbi. On to them, yeah. Big cat like Ginimbi, style like Ginimbi. Them pull me like a tantal. Touch a piece of pop. Ginimbi, Watch out, yeah. Style what you wanna piece like Ginimbi. What them can function like Ginimbi. Function lockdown like Ginimbi. What them can see. And the dark stand with Tonga Manje. You can't put it to the Tonga Manje. And the Manje to the Manje. Go chain like Ginimbi. Die like Ginimbi. Get like Ginimbi. Get out Ginimbi. You can't see everything is about Ginimbi. Last time I feel up, you can't see me.
Respect. Yeah, man, stop it, my DJ. Stop it, my DJ. Yeah, man, artist in Unzali Weri. Yeah, man, the brand new artist.
Go Ghetto Ginimbi.
Ghetto Ginimbi.
Go Ghetto Ginimbi. One more time, I pull out the